Here we have an animated graphic of a mandibular molar demonstrating straight line access and a fully exposed post within the pulp chamber. When ultrasonic procedures prove unsuccessful, we need a fallback option. The PRS kit affords simplicity in use and provides extraordinary opportunity in predictably removing different kinds of post systems and other intercanal obstructions when ultrasonic procedures prove ineffective. When utilizing the PRS, the first step is to select a transmetal burr. This friction grip burr fits into a high-speed handpiece and its sawtooth blades efficiently machine metal. The transmetal burr chamfers and rounds off the coronal-most edges of the post. This activity is accomplished by moving the head of the handpiece in an orbital pattern above the post drill pivot point. The head of the post is now domed and will create a guide path for subsequent instruments. Next, select the largest trephine that will just engage the post. Again, this latch-type drill is placed in a low-speed, high-torque handpiece and rotates clockwise at 15,000 RPMs. The purpose of the trephine is to machine down the coronal 2 to 3 millimeters of the post, creating a perfectly round cylinder. Before drilling with a trephine, it is useful to place a small amount of lubricant, like RC Prep or Glide, on the head of the post. PEC drilling reduces heat and provides greater cutting efficiency. Attention is focused on the proper trephine post alignment during the drilling phase. The trephine progressively machines down the coronal-most aspect of the post in preparation for the next step. There are 5 tubular taps whose internal diameters range from 0.6 to 1.6 millimeters. Each tap is precisely paired to correspondingly numbered trephines. As an example, using a number 3 trephine dictates the selection of a number 3 tap. The working end of the tap contains a tube that internally has left-handed threads and is approximately 4 millimeters in depth. The proximal end of the tap contains a well-engineered handle that is oversized to enhance motor control, beveled to provide comfort, knurled to encourage a sure grip. Additionally, a torque bar can be inserted through the handle port for added comfort and leverage when removing a large post or an actively engaged screw-type post. A silicone cushion is selected such that it will not be displaced into the access cavity and will distribute the post-removal loads evenly over the biting surface of the tooth. This bumper is placed over the working end of the tubular tap. Place the tap over the machined-down post, push it firmly in an apical direction, and screw it on using small quarter-turn counterclockwise rotations. The tap forms threads on the post and is drawn down until snug. Slide the cushion down so it contacts and protects the tooth. Now select the extracting plier from the PRS kit. The screw knob is turned clockwise to activate and open the arms of the plier. This simple action efficiently and safely generates the removal force. The plier's small profile allows for easy access to posterior teeth. Properly mount the extracting plier on the engaged tap. The screw knob is slowly turned and the jaws begin to open. Make certain the compressing cushion is properly protecting the tooth as the building removal loads begin to elevate the post. If the screw knob becomes difficult to turn, place and activate a Pro Ultra Endo 1 ultrasonic instrument directly on the post-engaged tap. Ultrasonic waves of energy transmitted to the post will allow the screw knob to turn with greater ease, which in turn progressively separates the jaws of the extracting plier. This action promotes the safe and controlled liberation of the post. Ultimately, the PRS provides clinicians an important post-removal method that is employed when ultrasonic techniques are unsuccessful.